In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicates in Hubspot in just 5 minutes. Merging duplicates can significantly streamline your contact management processes, ensuring your database is clean and efficient. Let's dive right in, starting with the very basics. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all of Hubspot's features. Once you're there, you'll look for the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up first. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate the CRM section, which should be readily available on your dashboard. Clicking on CRM will open up a plethora of options, but for our purposes, we're focusing on contacts. Go ahead and click on contacts to view your entire list. This is where you can see all the contacts stored in your Hubspot database, and unfortunately, it's also where duplicates might be lurking. Now, identifying duplicates is the next step. You might already know of some duplicates you've come across, or you can take a moment to scan through the list. Once you've found a contact that you suspect has duplicates, select that contact to view their details. This step is crucial because merging requires precision. You want to ensure you're merging the right contacts. With your contact selected, direct your attention to the Actions button. It's usually found at the upper right of the contact's profile page, offering a drop-down menu of options. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled Merge. This is where the magic happens. Click on Merge and you'll be prompted to select the other contact you wish to combine with your initially selected contact. Hubspot will guide you through the process, making sure you have the correct contact selected. Confirm your choice and you'll see another option to click Merge again. It's this second confirmation that solidifies the merger of the contact records. Once completed, Hubspot will consolidate the information from both records, keeping the contact profile clean and accurate. This process minimizes the clutter and ensures your CRM runs smoothly, keeping essential data intact and eliminating unnecessary redundancies. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully merged duplicate contacts in Hubspot, optimizing your contact management system. By regularly maintaining this process, you can keep your database refined and efficient. Thanks for watching, and here's to smoother navigation and organization in Hubspot.